Hey everyone, check out this 16-piece cocktail shaker set that has everything you need for a home bar. Made from premium stainless steel, it's durable, rust-proof, and easy to clean. The set includes a 750 ml shaker, double jigger, straws, strainer, opener, spoons, pourers, ice tongs, and more. It comes with an elegant wooden stand to keep your tools organized and on display. Plus, it includes a black anti-slip bar mat to protect your counter from spills. You'll also get a cocktail recipe book featuring classics like Margarita, Cosmopolitan, and Mai Tai. This kit makes mixing drinks fun and easy whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet night in. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.